Today we're going to show you the unboxing video for the Donjoy Iceman Classic cooler. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what's inside your box. Now let's jump right in and see what's inside. Once you receive your Donjoy Iceman Classic cooler, this is what it's going to look like. As you'll see on the front, there's going to be a sticker. Just make sure that it does say Donjoy Iceman Classic. You always want to make sure that you receive the correct item before you open it. Once you've confirmed that, we're ready to open the box. So we're going to start on the sides here. Now, before you open the top, you don't want to just dig right in because there could be a pad or other accessories and we don't want to damage them. So just gently lift the top of the box up and cut into it as gently as possible. Once you've got it open, the first thing you're going to see is a skin warning paper. This just serves as a reminder to never put the pads directly on your skin. If you ordered a pad, your pad will be inside the box as well. This one came with a Universal XL. And just like with the cooler, always make sure that this is the correct pad that you ordered before you open the sealed bag. Once the sealed bag is open, it's not returnable. All right, once you've done that, take off this top piece, which will allow you to take the cooler out. And this is what the Classic cooler looks like. Once you've pulled it out, move your handle forward, open your lid, and inside you're going to notice an instruction booklet just to help you learn how to use your system. And also, this is where you're going to find your power supply. Also, this is where you're going to put your ice and water. And these are the components of the cooler itself. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, you're ready to use your system. Now that you know what's inside, click the next video and we'll show you how to use your Donjoy Iceman Classic system. Now, let's get back in motion.